Okay guys, Triple R Box Breaks here doing the recap for last night's eBay break, I think 107. I'm going to do Emergent for the Timberwolves, Culver, Rookie, Sekou Dembuya, Emergent Wizards, Rui, Hype for Doncic, Dallas, PJ Washington Impact for the Hornets, Timberwolves, Culver, Hornets, PJ Washington, Kobe, NBA finalist Magic Johnson. For the Clippers, Purple Wave, Red Wave, Pistons, Grant Hill, Robinson. For the Knicks, for the San Antonio Spurs, Red Wave, Oladipo for the Pacers, Green, Heat. Oh, there you go, guys. I can't pronounce his name. Olenek, I think, for the Heat. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar for the Lakers, Green. Green Cam Reddish rookie. Emergent Grant Williams, Green. Seth Curry for the Mavericks. For the San Antonio Spurs, Robinson. Los Angeles Clippers, Green. Gambigidi. For your Brooklyn Nets, Levert, Green. For the Spurs, DeJounte Murray. For the Hawks, Vince Carter. For the Kings, Giles, Green. And DeMarre Carroll for the San Antonio Spurs. That's one section. And y'all want to see these? These are the absolute guys. They're pretty thick cards. For the Phoenix Suns, Magic, Klay Thompson, Warriors, Jordan Poole. This one's numbered, guys. You can see. For the Suns, Cameron, I think it's rookie. DeAndre Hunter, rookie, numbered. A relic for Okipala for the Miami Heat. I don't think that's numbered, guys. No. This one's numbered to 10, guys. Part of the jersey. Gordon for the Magic. Kobe White rookie auto. And Goga Bitadze. There you go. For the Indiana Pacers. And then these are the silvers. Hornets. For your Bucks, Rui silver, Emergent. Derrick Rose, Pistons. Pelicans silver. Iguodala Grizzly silver. Jarrett Culver Emergent silver. Timberwolves. For the Heat, silver. Nuggets. For the Celtics, Paul Pierce silver. For the Milwaukee Bucks, silver. Sacramento Kings, Riza silver. For the Warriors, silver. Sekou Dembuya Emergent silver. Pistons. Nassar Little, Blazers, silver. For your Denver Nuggets, Beasley. Nick Claxton for the Nets. Okafor for the Pelicans, silver. For your Cavaliers, Clarkson, silver. For the Sacramento Kings, Justin James, silver. For your Miami Heat, we got Jimmy Butler as a Philadelphia, but everything is for Miami. For Brooklyn Nets, Levert. These are from the Blasters, I believe. For the Suns, Relic. Blazers, Relic. Los Angeles Clippers, Relic. For the San Antonio Spurs, Relic. These are the blue disco. These are numbered, guys. 123 to 175 for the Portland Trailblazers. Clyde the Guy Drexler for the San Antonio Spurs. We got 120 of 175. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Lakers for 125 red disco, number 74. For the Kings, Giles, you got number 32 of 125. White screen for the Lakers, not numbered, guys. Far out Prizm, Anthony Davis for the Lakers. Luck of the Lottery for the Cavaliers. Fearless, Steve Nash for the Suns. Disco, Indiana Pacers. For the Suns, Phoenix Suns, Cameron Johnson. OKC Thunder. Detroit Pistons, Jackson. Atlanta Hawks. For your New York Knicks, another Kareem disco. That is number 46 of 75. The auto that came from the collegiate goes to the Lakers. Another auto for the Knicks. For the Boston Celtics, Cedric Maxwell. Cam Reddish disco for the Hawks. It's a nice card right there. Zion. And Ja. Fireworks. Those are number 26 and number 28. So that's the recap, guys. Thank you for joining. This video will be much clearer. That's why I like the iPhone. So we can have a clear video. Thank you for joining the break, guys. That's the as you can see, I already packed everything. I still need to do the labels, the shipping labels, guys. But watch out for the new breaks that are coming. I have product, guys. I just haven't. I could only do maybe Fridays and Saturdays. I don't know how during the week how I can do it since. But these are really nice cards. I like them. Please subscribe. Hit the like button somewhere there. I'll ship these out. I'll try to ship them out tomorrow. And hope your favorite team in the Super Bowl wins. If you're a football fan, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Right there, it looks pretty centered. So hope these grade well. Thank you for joining, guys.